What's up YouTube? I'm back again with another video. Well, now that my USMC early war gear series is complete, now it's time to show you guys how to put it all together. So as you can see, I have 6 M61 ammo pouches designed for the M14 120 round magazine. I have the K-bar, the M61 cartridge belt with snaps, the M41 Marine suspenders, the 2 M1949 canteens with covers and 1 cup, the 1945 dated jungle first aid kit with contents, the M1949 e-tool with cover, the 3-cell grenade carrier, the M17 field protective mask with bag, the M41 haversack or field pack, the M1 helmet with the Marine EGA stamp on it, and the second pattern M1955 flak jacket. Underneath all this stuff is the U.S. Marine Corps Mitchell pattern shelter half, double-sided. Unfortunately, this one no longer has its date tag, so I can't tell the year, but most of them seem to be made in the 50s. So now I'm going to show you guys to put it all together. Now I like to start in the middle. You don't have to, but starting in the middle of your bag, you want your jungle first aid kit, and it uses, as most of this gear does, the M1910 hooks, which just go onto the belt like so. Now the Marines also had a big issue with these hooks of them coming out on their own and the gear falling out, or the pouch falling off. So it does have a belt loop. If you'd want to put on there, I would suggest doing that too. Then we're going to add, even though we have 6 ammo pouches, I'll probably only put on 4. So you got to slide it through like so. Now like I said, the Marine belts have a snap, so the belts have the female side and then the ammo pouches themselves have the male side. And then on this side I'll slide on the K-bar, add the secondary ammo pouch, make sure it's snapped on there. Like I said in my ammo pouch video, I did design these to where you can put them upside down, but if you do that, it makes so that you can't use the hooks to carry something else below it. And on this side, then the 2 canteens. Like I said, these hooks are a pain in the butt to install sometimes. Second one. I'll get this extra gear out of the way. So now I'm going to wait to install this. But here's what your basic belt should look like. Now you can replace this with the M14 bayonet. So attaching the suspenders, you want to cross them. Now some GIs would use tape or the grenade or the ring from a grenade. So while this one is attached to this side, my left side, it's going to go to the right side. They just have simple hooks like that, which so far these have come out easy on me, so I kind of don't like them. And the hooks on this side, now because of where they put the snaps at, it makes it a little bit harder to attach them. And then there's that. Now remember, your gas mask strap is on your left side, so it's always going to be on your left leg. So instead of attaching this on this side, I'm actually going to want to attach it to this side. Now it makes it harder on this side though. And see, you can tell that I didn't really plan this out too well, because let's say I want to use the leg tie on my knife. Now I also have the leg ties on here too, so it makes it a little bit more cumbersome. Then you have your M45 field pack. This is empty. Then your E-tool attaches right to the back of your field pack, right here. And then if yours has all the straps on it, underneath here it actually has a strap to hold down the handle. And here you have the early bore USMC field gear complete. I'll put it on and show you guys how it looks. Even though the flak jacket really doesn't fit, I'll put it on there too, just so you guys can get a good look and see how everything would look. With the E-tool on the back, it makes it a lot difficult when the field pack is empty. Now because this gas mask here, its carrier, doesn't have the leg ties anymore, I suppose you'd have to wear it around your neck like this, which I suppose would help keep the moisture out. And then last but not least, you got the helmet, and here's what it looks like. Now, in the bag, in the gas mask bag, I do have the US Firestone manufactured, so you know it's the early war one. M17 field protective mask, size medium, with outserts, filters, head harness, valve cover. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, just let me know. I am selling all this stuff, with the exception of the shelter half. I'd like to sell it all as a lot, but I might actually have to break it up soon, so I'm not sure. But like I said, if you guys have any questions about this stuff, where to get it, the best place is either eBay or More Militaria. More Militaria actually has a whole lot available. 4 ammo pouches, a belt, the suspenders, suspender pads, 1 E-tool cover, 1 canteen with cover and cup. So you'd still have to buy the jungle first aid kit, another canteen cover. But like I said, if you guys have any questions about this stuff, just let me know. Have a nice day.